Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamata Jena speaking. This is related to function, limit, continuity and differentiability. Video number 399. Function. Define the relationship between independent and dependent variable. Limit. The value that a function approaches at the input approaches some value. Continuous function is a function that does not have discontinuities. That means any unexpected change in value. Basic theorem of continuity. A function is continuous at x is equal to a. A limit f of x is equal to if limit f of x at x tend to a minus is equal to limit f of x as x tend to a plus is equal to a function a. Difference means whose derivative exists at each point of domain, and some basis of limits are there. These are important for the computation of limit. Function, if function y is equal to f of x, it differs at x is equal to a. It is also continuous at x is equal to a. Find the period of f of x is equal to sine 3 pi x plus pi by 3 plus 8 sine 2 pi x plus pi by 4. Here only you know wx is equal to 2 pi x. So 2 pi fx is equal to, here is as per example 3 pi x. So f is equal to 3 by 2. So t is equal to root over inverse of f is equal to 2 by 3. Accordingly make it, then calculate, make the LCM denominator, SCM denominator, answer will come 2. Similarly, period of tan x to n is equal to 9 by, find n. It is same thing, tan x nothing, sin x cos n, another also tan x to the power by 3 divided by sin x to the n is equal to 9 pi. Itself is 9. So tan x nothing, sin x to n by cos x and sin x cancel out. So 1 by cos n is equal to 1 by cos n 9 pi. So your n is 9 by 2 or 4.5. Here f of x, function of x, the x plus lambda at x is equal to less than 3, 4 at x is equal to 3, 3x minus 5 at x is greater than 3. But it is continuous at x is equal to 3. Find the value of lambda. F is continuous at x is equal to 3. Left hand limit will be equal to right hand limit. It is sufficient to calculate. F left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So f of x, what is the left hand limit? X less than 3. So what is function is coming? And what is the right hand limit? F of x plus 3. So 4 is coming, 3 minus h into lambda. So 3 plus h is equal to 0 means 3 plus lambda is equal to 4, lambda is equal to 1. The function log 1 plus x and function 1 by x is not defined at x0. Value of which should be assigned to function at x is equal to, so that it is continuous x is equal to 1. Fx to be continuous when f0, function at O, function at 0 is equal to limit f of x. And it is there, so you calculate limit x to by 1, log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus bx is divided by x. Automatically to be continuous, it is come a plus b, value of value we should assign. That means a plus b should be assigned. Here the what is the basis we are giving it. These are the limit, you should know it. Log 1 plus x divided by x is equal to 1. Log tan x into x is equal to 1. Log 1 minus bx is equal to 1. If you know this, you can calculate this type of problem. Example, differential function. Check the differentiability of f of x and x is equal to 2 when x is greater than 3, 5x is equal to 3, and 8 minus x is equal to x less than 3. The function is differentiable when f3 plus h is equal to f dash 3 plus h is equal to f dash 3 minus h. So what is f dash 3 plus h? Then what is f dash 3 minus h? Here f dash 3 plus h is not equal to f dash 3 plus 3 minus h. The function is not differentiable. Here limit s to 0, 2 into e to the power 1 by h minus 5 divided by 1 minus 7 e to the power 1 h. Where limit h is equal to 0, 1 by h is infinite. So e to the power 1 by h also infinite. So what happens? Both down, numerator, denominator infinite. Numerator, denominator infinite. So what happens? You make a common, you remove e by h from the numerator as well as your denominator, automatically it will come 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Similarly, limit x to the 0, ex and minus e to the minus s divided by x. Here limit x to x, you make it like this. What we modified it? You modified ex, you modify it accordingly. ex be es 2x minus 1 divided by exx. We know it. Es here also another thing. E to power 2x minus 1 divided by 2x is equal to 1. And limit 1 to x when x is equal to 0 is also equal to 1. So answer will come 2. Limit x to 0, x and into sin nx, x divided by x and minus sin x. Here nothing. Make common factor action from the, you make it a common action from both sides, numerator, denominator. Then automatically input n is equal to 2. And here the formula like denominator a square by b square is equal to a plus b by into a minus b. Accordingly it will come 1 by 3. F of is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x square minus 1. For f, x is not equal to 1 and 2 for x square. Prove that function is continuous or discontinuous. Given f of 1 is 2. So f1 plus means x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square minus 1. And here what is the figure it is coming here? Here again x1 plus what is the figure is coming here? But f1 minus 1 is coming here minus 1. f1 is not equal to f1 minus. So function discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Limit root over x into root over x plus 5 by minus xy. Here what is our limit? Multiply. Here it is y x plus 5 minus x. You have to make a simple means you have to multiply x plus 5 root over plus x root over. Accordingly it is coming 5 by 2. Here the f of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Find f under bracket f is like this. First you check f of what is function x. Then function of function x. then calculate function of x. Accordingly, it will come x. At x is equal function is equal f of x is x cube minus 1 at 1 x infinite, x minus and minus infinite x into 1. So find the continuous and differentiability. The right hand limit f of 1 is there, the left hand is there, and here right hand limit and left hand limit is not equal, so function is not differentiable. For the continuity, f1 plus 1, that is limit h plus 0, f1 plus 0, f1 minus 1 also 0, so f1 plus 0 plus is equal to f1 1 minus 0. So function is continuous. This function is continuous, not differentiable. Here some formula is required because we give it for the calculation. How it is happened, I will give you an example below this. Because these are the most important formula. Here also important limit are there. Evaluate limit x to 0, tan x minus x is equal to sq. If you do not know what is the tan x expansion, you cannot do it. Tan expansion x sq3 plus 2x something like this. Here what happened? Minus x. Minus as this plus x, this minus x cancel. Automatically sq to common, take a common factor from the numerator. Denominator sq is there, it is cancelled. Automatically answer will come 1 by 3. With this, the presentation complete. If you like it, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.